Good evening, everyone. So tonight, our beloved Toastmasters, Sherly, would be delivering her speech with the title of "From Lab to Forest," in order to fulfill her pathways of motivational strategy, project, requested, and answer. So the purpose of her project is she will explicate to us about her speech. Then she also will be facilitating us the question and answer session. So, Toastmaster Sherly, are you ready?
I want to read a joke slowly.
So we believe you are vulnerable. So let us with your words. So Toastmaster Sherly, from left to forest, Toastmaster Sherly.
My fellow Toastmasters and guests, have you ever feel like the friends can give you a better mental health? Yes. Like maybe you seeing the plants, like even like they only grow in somewhere, but they existence make your day become better. Like even like there's no emotion or something, but it can transfer any good thing to your day at that moment. Anyone? Yeah. So yeah, I quite believe that plant actually by staring at plants, I have many of plants here. Yeah, especially living plants. It's called plant culture, and I will explain to you. So today I will talk you into a plant science world. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. As you know, in our life also we always meet in our daily life. There is a lot of things that come from the plants. That's what the watermelon is the seedless watermelon. It's actually a product of hybridization to like the plants sometimes the plants have diploid, but by do the hybridization they won't produce a single seed, or they are sterile. Stereo. It's not fertile. So they won't have any seed, and we need to propagate or grow it another way. And forest. We know that our company is from forestry. And so in our everyday life, even like in the flower you see, the strawberry, the indoor strawberry, and also the plant is began from science. Before it, maybe I have some terms, maybe it's kind of biological term, but maybe I want to explain simpler. Maybe later if you have any question, you can write to me. Don't worry, this is not a biological lecture or something. I just want to share something related to biological and plant science work. So this is called plant propagation, or basically do you ever have experience growing a plant?
Yes.
Actually, you will take some part from the plant and we plant and they will grow. That's called plant propagation. Okay. the offspring is actually a person child of the product or the product of result of the something. So in this one is not a child, but it's actually related to refer to the flower child, the plant child, anakan dari tumbuhan, something like that. And there's term that called aseptic. Aseptic is mean our room is actually full of microbes that we cannot see. But in the aseptic, it means a condition that is free from microbes. So let's say we are in the operating room. They will have a filter to filter all the microbes, so the operation can done in the sterile condition. And there's in vitro. I will explain later about this. I don't know whether when you are in the high school, maybe you have experience growing a bean to tauge, maybe to or bean sprout. Yes. Actually, at the time you already propagate a plant. Like I say, plant propagation. So, and this is one way to produce a plant, but it's from the sexual reproduction. I mean, it's because the ovum and the sperm will unite and to produce a seed, and the seed is actually the offspring. Later on can be given to the offspring, become offspring. And from the seed, actually, from the seed, if we germinate, if we want to produce the plants that identical to the parents, the seed is we cannot produce by the seed. And do you know why? These tiny seeds, the tiny one, is actually contain the gene from father and their mother. Like us, we are a product of our mother and father, right? So we have both the gene, and same also with the seed. And how about someone, they say, oh, I want to produce this plant, this seedless watermelon, for example, at this beginning. I want to produce this. How I can produce it identically with the quality same? Can I produce using the seed propagation? The answer is no, because the seed is contain the both genes, so it can be dominant or recessive. Because it's combination of the gene. And one way to produce the plant is actually by to produce the identical plant is usually by taking the some part of the plant. For example, we want to grow a rose, we can take the stem and we can cut it and we plant it into the pot. And also, we can also from the leaf and also the root. Do you know why I say like this? This is only leaf and root. How can it become the new plant? Okay, so I will tell you later, but this is the plant propagation method by vegetative or opposite from the generative or sexual reproduction. I mean, so because this is only from the somatic cells or the cell that is not related to the gamete, and the mission is 100% identical to the mother. So it's like mother, like child. Okay. So I will tell you how the plant is actually can generate from a single become a whole plant. It actually is the principle of totipotent cell. Totipotent cell is actually ability of plant to get to differentiate, to berdifferensiasi, to become a single a whole organism. So like I say, from the leaf we only have small leaf, we put it in the media and they will grow into the new organism. So it's only happen in the plant. Like for the human, we cannot we put our hair or something in some media and we cannot grow organism, right? Yeah, because the totipotent cell only happen in plant. Even like use the somatics, even like the cell is not from the gamete, they can produce a plant. So in today, actually the word of plant science is really has many innovation, and usually in conventional we will plant the plant in the soil. And do you know the other way to plant using the soil? Maybe I will teach someone. I think you are too compliant. Maybe cannot mind college. The other way to propagate the plant, maybe. Okay, maybe I will tell how to grow a plant. There's another way we can use without soil. The clue. What grow plant without soil? Hydroponic. Yes, it is one of methods to grow a plant. Hydroponic, aeroponics, I think, yeah, something like that is soilless. However, today I won't introduce that method because I work for plant tissue culture. Do you know plant tissue culture?
No.
This is to produce tissue, like tissue paper. Huh? Yeah, correct. The tissue is mean is also in here is mean jaringan, so it's not a tissue paper. But because some people come to my lab and say, oh, tissue, what is your the tissue product in your lab? So we actually didn't produce tissue, but the tissue is mean the tissue is mean the many before actually. I don't know. And it maybe it's this. Tissue is this. It's been jaringan of the plants. And what is plant tissue culture? It's actually a technique to grow a plant in the agar with aseptic condition. And we plant the plant in the agar that contains various of nutrients, vitamin, agar, like swallow agar can be put here, and the other plant growth regulator or some hormone to boost they grow. And okay. So we can grow a plant in the test tube or in the jar like this, in the the jam glass. The eggs we can plant with the plant like this, but it's not easy like that because we need aseptic condition. If not aseptic, you know what will grow in here? Yes, correct. Sorry, I forgot to mention about the physical condition in practice culture is also we will grow them into indoor in a room that has the adequate of light and the temperature and humidity, we will control it. So they like a baby plant, so like in the incubator, and we control the temperature. Like for this, we control it 24 to 28 degrees. If there are something with the problem with chiller or the air condition in our access central, we won't care about ourselves, but we will care about our friends. Something like that. And this is actually the flow process in the sorry, I have some jump. And this is the ground room condition, like I say, we maintain the room temperature at 24 until 28 degrees. So we control, we have thermostat to, if there rise of temperature, we will do something. And the humidity also, and the lighting. Here is the rack is full of the light. So the room is filled with light, and there is also red light. Some research say that some plants good the red light can boost the plant. And I will continue. So I will show you. This is actually, we know where this is from. Actually, this is from the field when we have the best corn in our plantation, and we want to get it. So we just cut this one, just a single shoot. We cut it, and we do in plantation culture. We sterilize it, and then we get the first in vitro shoot. In vitro shoot is made in the test tube, then like in vitro baby, something like that. So after we have in vitro shoot, we will transfer it into the new media and grow it until it becomes like this, from one to like this. It can take about 1 year to produce this. And I will show, this is the multiplication. It means the shoot is ready to go to another phase. We will cut it into one single shoot, and they will become this after 4 weeks. Like tiny to this 3 centimeters with the room condition like I mentioned before. And after that, we will harvest it and send to the nursery, and they will grow. So the benefit of this process, I will speak some, is actually the plant culture is we can achieve the larger production because we only need a bottle, and there is 15 plants that can be go to forest in the future. And the new plant is free of disease because we do in the aseptic condition, and the plant can be grow without it's not like depend, because now the situation is very hot. I think that's all from me. I think if there's any question from you, you can raise to me. What time I have? 17? Okay. Maybe 1 or 2 questions.
You just mentioned that the issue needs about 1 year to grow and harvest to the production, right? Yeah. And you think why it's happened, because 1 year is quite long time in terms of production in the industry.
Yes, actually, because of that, when some, we have the team improvement in our department, they have the select, this is the best tree in the plantation, and I want this identical, but we need 1 year to produce, because sometimes we only have several material, but if the material is a lot, we can produce more and multiplicate, and it will be less from 1 year. depend the source. Any other question? Okay. With you?
I just want to ask him the method of grafting.
Yeah.
Sako.
Yeah.
Is it part of the second method that you mentioned?
Second method, the vegetative growth. Yeah. The vegetative growth.
And this one?
Yeah.
It's part of plant propagation method too?
Yeah, that's what. Campok and also layering or something. But I also didn't have experience much that.
Oh.
I only know. But this is a vegetative growth.
Oh, it's same with vegetative growth too. Thank you.
And I also, some people ask whether this GMO, this is not, because this is only, we didn't alter any genetic, but we can do the GMO using plant culture. I think that's all from me. Maybe have another question? Oh, ini. One more question. Actually, I don't know, but sometimes I had my job sometimes. I really had, because it's yeah, you know. But when I go to the growth room, when I see the plant, I think my mood become better.